A very good morning to one and all. Welcome to Food Chemistry by Amruta. I hope you all are doing well. And today I am in a festive mood and we are going to celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi at our place. So all are getting ready for that festive mood and everything is getting ready in the kitchen and it's a very beautiful morning. We all know that Ganesh Chaturthi is a Hindu festival and it is celebrated on the arrival of Lord Ganesha. And the favorite food of Lord Ganesha is going to get prepared at all of our homes, which is the modakas, or you can say sweet dumplings. So I will just take my camera into the kitchen. For the preparation of modakas, I am going to make use of chana dal or gram flour. So I have washed the chana dal thoroughly and I have kept it soaked for around 4 to 5 hours. So I am planning to soak it for a little longer so that I get that nice texture to my modaka batter. And I have taken the measurement with this small steel bowl. So 2 full bowls I have taken the gram flour. Once the water is drained, I will put this dal into cooker. So we will start the modak process. So I have removed all the water and I am going to put this dal into my another vessel and going to put it in the cooker. Remember here to put a very little amount of water, otherwise it can get burnt. So just a little amount of water and it will be soft. Here you can see that I have put a little amount of water, almost a small cup, and this will now go into the cooker and we will put it for around 4 to 5 whistles. Since the chana dal is little thick, it can take some time to make the dal soften. So if in case you find that the dal is not cooked well or it has not been soft, then you can put one more or 2 whistles. After taking out from the cooker, the dal will look like this. You can see this. So all the water has been absorbed, and remember here that there should not be any water. If you find there is little extra water, you just drain out it. And now we are going to add sugar into this to form a smooth paste. I will show you how it is done. I have taken out the dal into a kadhai and now I am going to add sugar. So since we have taken 200 grams of chana dal, so I am going to use one whole bowl of sugar and one more I will add. I am not preferring more sweet, so I am going to make use of 1.5 bowl of sugar. Now it's time to turn on the gas and mix these two ingredients well. I have turned on the gas and remember here, don't make your gas flame on high, keep it on low to medium. If you ask my recommendation, I will suggest that you should keep it on low and mildly mix the ingredients. Now you have to keep stirring it unless the sugar is caramelized. Remember the gas flame should be on low. After this process is done, we will take this batter into our mixer jar, the medium one, and we will grind it into a smooth paste. It has been smooth, but we will make it more smooth so that it becomes easy for the modakas. Simultaneously, I have also prepared the dough. So this is the wheat dough that I am going to use for the outer cover of my modakas. So I have put little bit of salt into this so that it gives a nice flavor. You can also mix some amount of maida but I am preferring here wheat. Here I have grated one whole nutmeg, so it is really fresh, you can see that. And I am going to put this nutmeg powder into our modaka batter. It will give very nice flavor, and it also acts as a good for digestion. So this will be another enhancement to our Ganesh Chaturthi's modaka. Stir it properly, mix it well. I have been stirring the mixture for around 10 to 15 minutes. Now I will allow the mixture to cool down so that it can be put down into the blender. Now the batter has been cooled down, and I am now going to take that batter into this mixer jar to form a smooth consistency. So let's get started with that. So now the batter for our modakas is ready, and we are going to make this filling for the modak. So the batter for the modakas is ready, and now it's time to use this batter for the modak preparation. I have formed small balls out of the wheat dough, and I will prepare modak in this way. I will show you how to make this shape. So for the modak making process, we are going to make this small round shape, and we are going to put the filling into this. So this much is enough, and you can just close this properly so that the filling don't come out, and close it in the form of dumpling. So here you can see I have made this. Simultaneously I am going to use ghee for roasting this modakas. So in this way you have to make all the modakas. So now I am frying my modakas. So this is in pure ghee I am doing, because it will give nice flavor to this modak. So you can also use oil, but I am using here desi ghee or pure homemade ghee. My modak for Ganesh Chaturthi is ready. Please like and support to my channel. Thank you.